Alright friends, let's talk about how to get a single character from the user. So which data type is used to store a single character? It's the char type. We will ask the user, please enter a character. Okay. Then we create a scanner object called input and we define a char variable. We can name it like character. I copy this and I come here, character, and then the type is char. So in Java we don't have next char, so we use here next or next line and char at method. This reads a string and takes, if I write 0 here, takes the first character. So right now it's a little bit complicated because we haven't studied arrays or character arrays yet. So let me explain this. So using next line, we read all lines, all string. If I use next method, it stops at the first space. I can use next to, I can use next, and it stops at the first space. For example, I open my pen, I type John. So char at 0 gets the first character because it starts with 0 index. So at my 0 index, I have my first element. If I type here 1, I will take my second element, second character. So what I need to do, I want to take my first character. That's why I use char at 0. So strings in Java are sequences of characters. So we can take any character by using char at method. Okay, so I save it and then I say the character is, and then I say character. I save it. I compiled already and I run it. You see, please enter a character. I type John. As you see, the character is C. If I want to take A here, what I need to do, I need to change it. I want the second character, so which is at index 1. So I save it and I run it again. You see, please enter a character. I say John. You see the character is A. At my index 1, I have second element. So what I need to do, I need to get the first character. That's why I use 0 index here. I hope you understand the logic.